Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Motorola Moto G73. To do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, look for Microsoft Edge. And then install it. If you have this pending error, you might need to cancel it and then try to install it again. When it's done, open the app. And now we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it, accept or disagree with the data sharing preference, and lastly select Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Now you can open a website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.